Ladies and gentlemen, hello, and you are watching TTV News with some latest events in THANH province. And now we come into details. The Ordnance Colonel Lê Hồng Vương, commander of the Border Guard Command of THANH province, recently seek give worth 300 million Vietnam đồng to the Border Guard Force up to province of Cambodia on November 4 at Samat International Border Gate.
The gifts were given to representatives of the Cambodian units, including the director of the National Police Department of COMMUNE province, the commander of the Provincial Gendarmerie, and the commander of COMMUNE Provincial Military Sub-region. Later on the same day, at Tân Nam International Border Gate, under Tân Bình Border Guard Station, the NINH Provincial Border Guard Command also gave 3 gifts, 50 million Vietnam đồng each, to the border guard forces in TRANG province, Kingdom of Cambodia. Receiving the gifts were representatives of the units, including the Deputy Director of the National Police Department, Commander of the Provincial Gendarmerie, and Commander of the Provincial Military Sub-region of TRANG province. Colonel Lê Hồng Vương expressed hope that this gift will partly have the Cambodian border guard reduce difficulties in carrying out the task of preventing and controlling the COVID-19 pandemic in the time to come. The commander of the Border Guard Command of the THANH province said that the two sides still will maintain the solidarity relationship and closely coordinate with each other in performing the task of border management and protection. In the morning of November the 5th, Mr. Nguyễn Văn Phi, Vice Chairman of the Vietnam Fatherland Front Committee of the THANH province, attended the National Great Unity Day held in Thanh Long Commune. Thanh Long Commune is being invested to be recognized as a new rural commune in 2021. This year, the commune has had many good and creative ways, many effective models. It has also presented more than 3,500 gifts worth over 1 billion Vietnam đồng to households facing difficulties due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The commune has also actively mobilized people to participate in 8 criteria without funding, mobilizing people to install 21 solar light bulbs on 3 roads, to donate land to build hamlet offices worth 500 million Vietnam đồng, and build 7 great solidarity houses for the poor, etc. Speaking at the ceremony, Mr. Nguyễn Văn Phi praised the achievement results and hopes that in the coming time, the commune would continue to unite in well implementing the party's guidelines and policies and laws of the state, while continue the campaign Vietnamese people give priority to using Vietnamese goods, better promote care for the poor and those affected by the pandemic. On this occasion, the Vietnam Fatherland Front Committee of the province awarded certificates of merit to 4 collectives and 2 individuals, with many achievements in implementing emulation movements. The Provincial Vietnam Fatherland Front Committee and the THANH District Fund for the Poor also gave 25 gifts to poor households in the commune.
Turn to other news. Ladies and gentlemen, on November 5th, the People's Committee of Trang Ban Thao held a conference to deploy the COVID-19 vaccination campaign to children aged between 12 and 17 in the area.
The vaccinations expected to be carried out from November the 5th till November 31st, 2021 for 15,096 children aged between 12 and 17, including 9,329 children aged 12 to 15 years old and children aged 16 to 17 years old. It's expected that there will be 30,192 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, with priority given to children aged 16 to 17 years old, and then to younger kids. The vaccination will be carried out according to the age reduction schedule, according to the vaccine supply progress and the local epidemic situation. After the plan was introduced, the delegates exchanged and discussed a number of related issues, such as registration procedures and vaccination data entry, kinds of vaccine will be used, the coordination, review, and management of children subject to the vaccination. In addition, the organization of screening and health monitoring for children before, during, and after injection, or monitoring handling of incidents and ensuring security and order during vaccination were also discussed. On November the 5th, the launching ceremony of Quyết Tâm Thắng Lợi Agricultural Service Cooperative was held in Thành Phước Commune of Cô District, with the attendance of Mr. La Hữu Nghị, Chairman of the NINH Provincial Cooperative Alliance. The cooperative has a total capital of 170 million Vietnam đồng, established with 34 members, led by Chairman Nguyễn Văn Tuấn. Its transaction office is based in Sông Đồng Hamlet, Thành Phước Commune, Cô Dầu District. It has a total production area of 40 hectares, with the main production and business activities of farming and animal husbandry. The establishment of the cooperative will help to raise the value of the local production chain and create many jobs for local people, who will be gradually disseminating knowledge about safe and quality production, thereby helping people's income to be improved and stabilized, contributing to the local socio-economic development. On this occasion, the Cooperative Alliance of THANH Province presented 2 million Vietnam đồng to Quyết Tâm Thắng Lợi Agricultural Service Cooperative.
The audience responding to the Vietnam Law Day and to mark the 60th anniversary of THANH Construction and Development. On November 5th, the Youth Union and the Vietnam Youth Federation of Thanh Thao organized the contest The Youth with Knowledge of the Law and Local History in 2021.
The contest was held in a joyful and exciting atmosphere, with the participation of union members and young people from union facilities in the town. The contest consists of 2 competitions, including the Ring the Golden Bell competition to learn the knowledge of the youth law, the historical knowledge of the founding and development of Thanh Thao through various periods, and the painting competition with the theme 60 years since the founding and development of Thanh. As a result, the first prize in the Ring the Golden Bell competition belonged to Trường Đông Commune Youth Union, and Long Thành Bắc War Youth Union won the first prize in painting competition. On this occasion, the Youth Union and Vietnam Youth Federation of Thanh Thao also awarded prizes to previously held online contests.
The audience over the last time, the rest of the new rural construction in localities, including Cô Dầu District, has been affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. In the last 2 months of 2021, Cô Dầu District is accelerating the implementation of the new rural construction. Our correspondent report in CAMBODIAN commune, one of the last communes of Cô Dầu District to be invested in building new rural areas.
CAMBODIAN commune was added to the new rural construction investment plan of Cô Dầu District in June 2021. But till July 2021, construction works in the area must be suspended according to the social distancing plan of the NINH province. The commune is invested to build 50 roads, including key roads with a length of over 6.8 km and a total investment capital of 51.6 billion Vietnam đồng. A new primary school has been built in Sông Đồng Hamlet. Other schools are being urgently upgraded and repaired, while the commune control center is being built with 4 new function rooms and 2 hamlet control houses are newly constructed. We are concentrating on a number of solutions. The first one is to review and focus on the unsatisfactory criteria, strive to speed up the implementation progress, especially accelerate the infrastructure construction, mainly traffic, schools, and control facilities. These are 3 major criteria that the provincial authorities are interested in. We accelerate the progress to basically complete the targets. It's possible that Hiệp Thành Commune will achieve 100% of the new rural criteria this year, and CAMBODIAN Commune maybe next year, because the funding isn't guaranteed. Apart from speeding the progress of basic construction, Cô Dầu District is reviewing control criteria, striving for 100% of the community culture, sports, and learning centers of communes, towns, and cultural houses of hamlets to operate effectively, improving the quality of the movement on people build the cultural life, striving to raise the percentage of cultural families, hamlets, and quarters to 70% or more. As the last commune of Cô Dầu District to be invested in building a new rural area, the people of CAMBODIAN commune have actively responded to the new rural construction campaign. Above all, the local people are the subjects of new rural construction on roads in COMMUNE commune are supported by the people. They donate land to build roads. We don't pay any compensation. We really wish to be supported by the state to build primary schools that meet national standards, reaching the new rural commune standard. The hamlets investing the remaining roads. The people are satisfied. We have no further suggestions. COMMUNE commune has achieved 14 out of 19 new rural construction criteria. As for income criteria, the district is urgently reviewing and evaluating, and the commune has also reached over 85% of the health criteria. These are positive results after 5 months of implementing investment in building new rural areas in the commune amidst the complicated development of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today TTV News. Thank you for joining with us and see you next time.